कुठ्ठाळचे ग्रामसभेत अर्धकुट्या सोडून दिल्ल्या रस्तो कामाचो विषय बरोच चर्चेक येयलो. बेकायदेशीर दोंगर कापणी आणि मार्केट प्रकल्पाचेरय बोवाळ जालो. आयडीसीन पंचायतीचे अधिकार कोचून घेतल्यात अशी खंतय लोकांनी उक्तायल्या.
आयतारा जाल्ली कुठ्ठाळेची ग्रामसभा गरमागरम जाली. मोबायल टावर मार्केटा सारकिल्ल्या विशयावयले चर्चेत लोकांनी उत्स्फूर्तपणान भाग घेतिल्लो. आयतारा जाल्ले हे ग्रामसभेत मोबायल टावर आणि बाजारपेठेच्या विशयाबरोबर रस्ते, कोयर, वेर्णा उद्देगीक वसणुकेतलो महसूल सारकिल्ल्या विशयाचेर भासाभास जाली. बायोडायवर्सिटीचेर प्रेझेंटेशन जालें, पूण परतून हाचेर बसका जातली. ताचेच बरोबर मार्केट प्रकल्पाचेर खाशेली ग्रामसभा आपयतले.
एक आयडीसीचो जे आयडीसी आमकां रिमीट करना कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स फीज आणि ट्रेड टॅक्स आणि हाऊस टॅक्स which they have withdrawn the powers of the panchayat from their jurisdiction. So they are supposed to remit. Last 4 years they have not remitted to us and they are putting the panchayat to great hardship. And the same way is some issues of Dilip Buildcon with regards to their works where the hill cutting is being taking place. They have blocked our road, they have dug our road to go to the crematorium. Our Hindu brothers are not able to cremate dead bodies because the road has been dug and there is last 6 months there is no access to go there. And also with regards to the drainage system which has been severely affected.
There are many. The contract, first of all, of garbage itself is unknown to the people of Korthalur. So we don't know what are their duties, what are our rights. They were talking about segregation, which is very good. We have to segregate at source and we agree to that. But now the question is, where is it dumped? Finally, if you're going to take all the segregated, put it together and put it in a dump, which is a place in the communal land and on the plateau in Korthalur, we are saying, have you got permissions for that? You don't have permissions. It's not a legalized contract. So all these problems that we are talking about in garbage are related to what the panchayat has created with the contractor, which is not transparent.
कोयराच्या आणि मार्केटाच्या विशयाचेर कुट्टाळी केळशी पंचायत स्पष्ट आसा. सरपंच सेनिया पेरेरान सांगले. जाल्यार रस्त्याची कामां अर्दकुटी सोडल्यात हे थळावी आमदार एलिना साल्दानान मान्य केले. मोबायल टावराच्या कोफुसांवाचेर उलयतना तिणें सांगले, लोकांक नेटवर्कय जाय आणि विरोधय करतात. हाचेर तज्ञांक हाडून उपाय काडटली. आयकात.
That was a very important issue that the roads are being dug for underground cabling and they are not reinstated. Now what is happening, I don't know, but I think what I need to do as the MLA, I will ensure that representatives of the department, that is power department, come on site and we'll discuss with them how the roads are to be reinstated and when are the roads to be instated. Are they to be reinstated in patches as you complete laying down the cable, or are they supposed to be reinstated after the entire work is done? Because in some places, as one villager said, that it appeared to be in level and then when the bike passed it went down. Now these things can be risky, especially to the two-wheelers. And therefore, I'm going to call upon the Honorable Minister for Power and request him to send somebody, some engineers who are handling the project to throw some light on all the queries that the villagers have. The Gram Sabha has asked for a separate or special Gram Sabha on this market complex with reference to the market policy. And I think the Panchayat body has agreed. Very soon they'll be fixing a date. And the villagers will be informed. Similarly, I think there was an issue with respect to the towers. Yes, the towers. Now, what is happening? There is such a contradiction happening at the moment. We need the towers because we need connectivity, because ever since the pandemic, children are studying online. And if they have to study online, then towers are needed, because without connectivity, the children cannot go ahead with their lessons. Okay. At the same time, there is still apprehension in the minds of the public that these towers can induce all kinds of health problems. So therefore, I think what I will try is to get an expert in the field, if possible, to talk when the next Gram Sabha happens. I will try and get an expert to talk on the field on this topic and clarify our minds and throw some light on the issues that are making people so restless and nervous about the towers.
सी गार्बेज पंचायती घरांसून कॉमेस जायना गार्बेज आमच्या जोण एकल्याच्या घरांसून जाता हांव जरी तो सेग्रिगेट करून दिलो तेन्नाच एज अ पंचायत वी वूड बी एबल टू डिस्पोज द गार्बेज सिस्टमॅटिकली आनी आयज देखून आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ईच वन बिकॉज आयज आमच्या ग्रामसभानूय रेजोल्युशन घेतलां दोज हू आर नॉट सेग्रिगेटिंग विल बी फायन्ड ₹1000 सो हांव मागता आमचो लोक कॉमन लोक इतले आमकांय नाका तांकां 1000 फायन दिवन दूख दिलोलें बट आय रिक्वेस्ट सेग्रिगेट करे कॉपरेट विथ द गार्बेज वेन इफ द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इफ देर इज एनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान गार्बेज कलेक्शनाक गेलें कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा यू विल कम एंड टेल अस आय विल ब्रिंग देम टू द टास्क. According to the market policy, we have a definite committee which is being defined by the market policy, which is authorized by the government. According to the committee, we have to go ahead with the policy because policy is the rules and regulations which have been given with the law weightage. So they said we will go with the auction process according to the rules and regulations. But at the same time, what we had done is on the advertisement and everything, each and every point from the market policy was covered up and it was published on the notice.
गोवा 365 खातीर कुट्टाळेच्यान हिरू महाले.